Proyap and the Meta is a mural painted by Aris in Granollers, Catalonia. This work is a mural paint near the Institut Antoni Comella. It's situated in the site of a building. Proyap and Demeter are two Greek divinities that symbolize fertility, nature, agriculture, and work. The representation has a classic manner's important component to the working class, for items listed: shirtless men, a woman with a traditional dress,